If you are looking for reliable, professional, and affordable lawn services, well, you've come to the right place. We are the top local lawn services company and committed to creating satisfied customers. Please watch the next video to understand why.
Looking for a full-service lawn maintenance contractor that delivers top-quality results at a very affordable price? Look no further. No need to spend hours on the phone trying to find the top lawn care professional in your area. We are here to help. We deliver quality, efficient and timely services, from trimming shrubs to mowing lawns, spreading fresh mulch, replanting flower beds, weeding, regular lawn maintenance, etc. We have the skills, expertise, and knowledge to best maintain your lawn in its full glory. We'll keep your lawn looking nice and properly groomed during all the season. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, we guarantee your satisfaction. Experience the quality of our services. Once you hire us, we will become your go-to lawn care maintenance provider.
As you saw in this video, we can perfectly care for your lawn. So give us a call now. We look forward to talking with you.